Hey guys, what's up? We're here today. We're going to do the whole headlight restoration. These are TSX headlights. So sorry I didn't take like a good before, but it was actually worse than this. And I'm going to go through the process with you with the sanding and everything, and I'm going to make you know what I'm using. And we're going to do a ceramic coat on it, and we're going to do the same thing with the interior headlight. So we bought two TSXs. We bought one that's good, everything is good mechanically, but the cosmetic part isn't too good. And we bought the next one that everything is bad mechanically and everything is good cosmetically. So we just switched stuff. That's basically what we did, and we got the cars for very, well, I wouldn't say very cheap, but a good price. Couldn't pass it up. And I love the TSX. I'm going to do everything to it. As soon as my brother is finished with it, I'm going to buy it back from him and do the manual conversion, and hopefully down the line, let me not say, but it's going to look very good. I already have a color in mind and everything. All right, so so if you look, they're hazy, and we need to sort that out. But all right, so yeah, so I'll get to it and show you the process. All right. Alright, what I'm doing now, I'm using 2000 and I'm going to use 3000, just to get a better finish on the headlight, like a smoother finish, so you won't see any of those sandpaper marks on the ceramic coating and everything and all that crap. So we're just going to go through the headlight and we're going to sand it down, wet sand. So I put some soap in the bucket of water that I'm using, and we're just going to wet sand the headlight, getting off the yellow film that's been sitting on this for a long time. The reason I'm doing this to these headlights and not the other ones that are in the other TSX is because these are original. As you can see, Honda right here, original headlights, and I don't want aftermarket headlights, so I'm going to restore these. The beauty about this is that the yellow is on the outside and there's no damage to anything on the inside, which is good. So hopefully when I'm finished with these, it's going to look like new. And you can just use a little soap in the bucket. Alright, so we're finished sanding with 2000 and 3000. Now we're going to apply the ceramic coating, right? And I'm going to see how that looks. So this is the headlight, basically, right? Getting away the yellow film and everything like that. So it's a bit hazy right now because the sandpaper marks, the scuffing is still there. So on to the next step. Alright. So we're going to remove the first step, the oxidation around the headlight. So we want the headlight to look like new. Alright, so everywhere around this. See that? Alright, so that's what we want to remove. So we want this headlight looking brand spanking new. And I want all the edges, because if you have yellow edges, you'll see it. So you'll see it through the headlight. I don't want that. So I know everybody's like, they'll just do the headlight and miss out on the bottom part and top part. No, I'm good. Alright. See? I'm talking about, you see the bottom part right there with the yellow? I don't want that. I want the whole headlight to look new. Alright. Alright, so the next one now.
Look how clear it looks already.
Yeah, but remember I still have to sand down a little bit more.
Yeah.
And then can go from there with putting back the clear coat over the headlights, ceramic clear coat. Should have used gloves, but I keep forgetting to use gloves. By all means, everybody, use gloves, because these are chemicals. Alright? If you have a mask, put on a mask. Alright, now we're at the third process. Alright, so we're going to do a horizontal, back to front. So that's should be strong as hell. Yeah, and that's that for the headlights with the clear. So we have 60 minutes. I'm gonna give it 60 minutes to dry, and we can install them back in the car. And that's that. That's the finished product. Well, not the finished product. After 60 minutes, I'll give you a next video to see how they come out after they dry. All right, so that's it. All right, guys. All right, guys. So this is the finished product of both headlights, with the clear, dried, and it came out pretty nice. So if you want to know what I used, just leave a comment and I can fill you in on the coating that I used. Alright, it's very cheap. I think it's like $22, but you gotta do the sanding and stuff yourself. Alright, so, and yeah, that's it, guys. So I'll hit you up later.